That ticking sound from your engine? It's not harmless. Your hydraulic lifters aren't getting enough oil pressure and they're slowly destroying your valve train. Every tick is metal grinding against metal. First, you'll get bent valves. Then your entire engine blows. But here's what mechanics don't tell you. The wrong oil viscosity causes this. Too thin and pressure drops. Too thick and oil can't flow fast enough. Switch to the right viscosity oil for your engine, and that deadly ticking stops immediately. Your valve train will thank you.